Hello, I'm Jennifer from the Worcester branch of the Wayne County Public Library. Valentine's Day is coming soon, and after the struggles we've all gone through this past year, it can't hurt to spread a little extra love around. We at the library have a series of craft program videos planned that will help you create something with love and share it with others to show your appreciation. Today, I want to show you how to make a very simple pop-up Valentine. What I've done is just add a couple of cutout hearts on the front, but inside it opens up to several hearts joined together. So what you'll need for this, if you take an 8.5 by 11 standard size piece of cardstock and cut it right across the middle, you would get two pieces like this to make cards. So I'm just going to show you one. And with that piece, I'll just fold it over and crease that fold so that I've got the usual standard card size here. Now I want to start with the hearts that are in the middle, like this. So I have 4 hearts, all the same size, cut out. We have a special machine here at the library that lets us do this. But, quick tip for at home, if you have a nice cookie cutter, that would be, anywhere within this size range, you could use that as well to trace out your hearts. So I've got 4 here, and what I'm going to do first is just fold them all in half. And you want to do this very carefully so that your points align as well as possible. I know it's tricky, and mine never come out absolutely 100% perfect, but this is the kind of fold we're talking about. So I'll go ahead and fold all of those. All right, so those are all folded, and now what I want to do is glue them together. So I'm just going to use a glue stick. And while they're folded, I'll just glue one side, one half of the heart. And I want to alternate colors, so I'm going to do a lighter pink next, and just to line it up at the point and along the fold, press it down. I'll do that again with the other 2. And then we'll put both of these together. So you can see now that they're all together, it opens up really nicely. Now to put it into the card so that it looks like this, what I'm going to do is glue one side again. And you'll want to fit it in fairly close to this fold. You don't want it right on the fold because you can see you do have a bit of thickness here. And you want to give that thickness a bit of room to open up. So I'm going very close to the fold, but not all the way in. And once it's in securely, then I'll glue the other side. And just fold the card over and press it down. And there we go, it opens up just perfectly. So now I'll glue the one heart onto the front. And of course, you're certainly welcome to decorate the front of your card just any way you like. You can decide what kind of message you want to put on. But I'm going to do one single heart here. And then I've got my nice brush pen. I'm just going to write on here. Wishing you, and then on the inside, so much love. Because really, that's what we all need right now, right? And happy Valentine's Day. Like I said, you can write whatever you want to in your card. You can personalize it for someone you love, someone who's a close friend, whatever you like. But whatever you do, you're going to be sharing a little love. So I hope you have fun making these simple pop-up Valentines and sharing them with the people you love. Take care, stay healthy, and spread a little kindness today. We could all use it.